To create YouTube video content, you need to understand first what are the components of this. So, there are basically 4 components. Whenever you think of any tutorial videos, first thing you need to have is the proper content. That is, we can say the text, which we are going to take help from ChatGPT. And then whatever content or a text we get, we have to transform it into audio. So this is what we are going to do using VidIO. Then for this audio, you need to have a visual in form of images or videos or graphics. So that is what we are going to get. And also there are some more core drill is needed, and for that some more graphics, GIFs or images we are going to find. So these are all the things you must have in your YouTube tutorial. Now first thing, that is the text. So to create this text, what we'll be using? ChatGPT. So first step is going to be create text content for video tutorial using ChatGPT. Once this is done, we are going to open VidIO software. Then third step, we create a blank project. When this is done, convert the text to speech. And then we'll be opening a pixel to select graphics. This is nothing but a site. Then we are going to drag and drop all that graphic which we have downloaded to the canvas on which we are creating our YouTube videos. Then we are going to give some subtitles also. And then finally we are going to export this. So these are 8 steps. Now I'm going to illustrate to you. Open ChatGPT and do write a question first. How to make money online in 2023. Let's see what ChatGPT has for us. There are various ways to make money online in 2023 depending on your interests and skills. So the first thing is freelancing. Yes, if you want, you can work from home and you can take the clients and start your freelancing. Online survey you can go for. Affiliate marketing you can do. You can create online tutorials, or you can tutoring also is possible. You can give tuitions, you can have online courses, you can go for e-commerce. And keep in mind, for all these some needs investment. So this is what the suggestion ChatGPT has provided us. Now along with each of this, you need to properly think of a particular option if you want to earn money in 2023. And in all of these, you are actually, what you are doing is you are going to take help of ChatGPT, definitely. So I'm picking up because we are going to create one course, or you can say a tutorial. So I'm picking up this 5th one, that is online course and digital products. Okay. So let's start with this. For this purpose, first, again, I'm writing a question to ChatGPT because I need content for my YouTube tutorial. So I'm writing, give me a YouTube video content or outline first on the topic machine learning. So I want to create a tutorial on machine learning. So now I am just asking what will be my steps. So here are the outlines of it. First you need to give introduction. Then you can type of machine learning explain. Then you can do how machine learning work. Then real life applications of machine learning you can explain. Limitations of machine learning can also be taken up. Future of machine learning will be one of the topic into that, and the conclusion at the last. Now, if you want any particular one to elaborate, you can ask ChatGPT for it. Please Elaborate. For example, this one. So going here and just I'm in double quotes giving this sentence. Okay, fine. So go ahead, and this is the elaboration of the same. Sure, I'll be happy to elaborate on what machine learning is. That is, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that involves training algorithms to learn patterns and make predictions from data. See, simple, and like this, each and every topic given by ChatGPT just now to you, you can elaborate and copy paste to one of your document. This is also you can do. Now the second is, once your content is ready, for example, types of machine learning also, if you want, you can simply go and ask ChatGPT to give you more content on types of machine learning. Elaborate. This, that is type of machine learning. And here you got the text. So this is just one example, like this first point, second point, I have asked ChatGPT to elaborate for me. You can ask it to explain more such topics and go ahead, create your content. Once the creation of your content is over, then what you can do is, then you can go to step number 2. So here it is generating. Just go down to check it. See these points, it means it is generating. Yeah, and where is the text? Text is down there. You have to go to the arrow and then you can see your text. Now see, I'm scrolling down. Here is my text. This is generated. Types of machine learning. This is done. Okay. So for our step number 2, we are going to one more AI tool, that is Veed.io. Type Veed.io. Onto this, here it will ask you for signing up. Once you're done with signing up, which is a very simple process, go to create project. This is your first project. After that, go to the blank canvas. And click. Now here is your project almost ready to start with. Go to audio and then here you have to choose, that is text to speech. Then you will be selecting on the accent. So for English, we need Indian accent. So here directly you can write or go and select from the list given. Here we got the English, okay, that is Indian accent. Then you can also choose in between the male or female voice. Next step, go back, get the text that you wanted to change. See, one important thing is we are using the Veed free version. So that is why the problem is it's not going to take all the text together. You have to take it in parts. So just take one paragraph, select it and go back to Veed, and where we have the section of text to speech. Yes, here. Just click. And soon you're going to see on your canvas this audio translation. This is here. The blue line that you can see.
Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that involves training algorithms to learn patterns and make predictions from data.
That's there. Now the next task for us is, similarly, you can go get more text from there, but Right now, we are going for some visual first. So I'm going to Pixels. This is a site where you can get some free graphics and images. I'm going to videos as I need video. Related to machine learning, let me search free machine learning videos. And into this, let me take the first one. This was better. Yeah, I just clicked it and it's a free download. Click to get it free downloaded and you are going to soon see it at the corner. Yes, here it is downloaded now. The next task is either you can go for one more if you want. I'm taking this one. This is better. So I have 2 videos now. See, download it. Now go back to your Veed. And this is going to be very simple process. Just click, drag it to the canvas and drop here. Okay, just try and do that. Drag and drop. Look how it's working now. I'm taking the second video also and dropping it there. In these. Now I'm going for subtitles also I'm trying. Generating subtitles is going to give me some options over there that I can choose from. These are there. I'm picking up the first one. Yeah, it's good. And then let me take my cursor.
Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that involves training algorithms to learn patterns and make predictions from data. It is a method of teaching computers to make decisions or predictions by showing them examples of input data and the corresponding.
This is the way you can create your YouTube tutorial in no time. The now thing left is only export. Just click on export and you can save it in your MP4 or MP3 format.